My name is Devyn Schumacher, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about two very important elements of design called positive space and negative space. Positive space is the space in a piece of art that is filled with something such as lines, designs, shapes, colors. Usually it's the main focus of the painting. It's conveyed by an object or drawing taking the forefront of the piece of art. And negative space is the empty or the void space that is around the object or the form. It's also sometimes called white space, but don't let that fool you because it's not always white. It can be any color. And you can also call it the empty space. So this element, or these two elements, are particularly important because you cannot have a piece of art without both the positive and the negative space. Without both, it's impossible. So you can see these elements in any art gallery, just walking around your house. You can pick out any photograph or anything that we do on the computer in graphic design. In our case, we have to have both positive and negative space. But I'm going to show you a couple of specific examples so you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. And the first one of these is pretty much the perfect illustration of the concept of negative space, or how the space not occupied by an object has a form as well and occasionally has its own image. So here we have the white vase and we have the two black faces. So kind of a fun little what do you see sort of thing. But here is another illustration, and it is a black and white cow, and the positive space in this image is the black, because it's the shapes and the design, and it's what forms the cow. But then you also, without the negative space, you wouldn't be able to tell what it is. So the negative space is obviously the white, or the empty space behind it. And then you can have positive and negative space in photographs too. And here's a little picture. I don't know if you can really tell exactly what it is in this video, but it's a rock with a little furry creature on top. And in this picture, the main focus is the creature in the rock, and that is the positive space. And the negative space is this empty black space behind it. And even just little journal, the designs and the shapes and the color is right around here, and this green is the negative space. And now that you've seen some examples and I've explained a little bit more about these two important elements of design, you can go to any gallery and just pick out, or look at any object and pick out the positive and negative space. And so go have fun, and I hope you learned a little something about art and graphic design, and I will talk to you later. Bye!